It's really funny because people, you get, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's $25 styling fee. I don't remember because I get a yearly styling pass, so I don't remember what the monthly is. They give you a bag to send everything back in for free. Now they have this shop by category. You can look up pants or blouses or whatever, and you can shop directly on the website. This is funny because this is correct. It's the prices, but this says, "Welcome back, Amy, for your Fix 38, blah, blah, blah." And it's totally different stuff. They usually give you these little cards that show you what you're getting, and none of this is what I'm getting. This is somebody else's card. It's like Amy Pate, whoever that is. Let's see. I'm sorry your last fix didn't hit the mark, blah, blah, blah. Hope we can get you back on track with this one. Well, this wasn't me. This time I got the, I think it was beta testing for a while, but now I think everybody gets it. They email you 10 things to choose from. Yeah, I wasn't gung-ho about all of them, but I guess I could have sent them all back and tried, or, you know, not sent them back, but emailed them back and said, try again, but I just picked 5 and sucked it up. Total cost is $268. If I buy all discounts, $67. So if I bought everything, it'd be $201. Don't think I'm gonna buy everything. So let's see what we got. Oh, I was gonna go try it all on and I haven't even showed you yet. Here's my bundle. Some jeans. Tops. It's like dark wash jeans and light wash jeans. I wanted shorts and capris, so I don't really think I want jeans. Alright, let's see what we have here. This is kind of see-through-y, and it's that stuff that if you live in Texas, it's that nylon-y stuff that gets really hot. Makes you sweat like crazy. Let's see what they say it is. Probably polyester, but this particular type gets really hot. Yep, 100% polyester. But, yeah. Don't think I would want this. It's too see-through, and this material gets super, it doesn't breathe, you know what I mean? So you get sweaty. So we'll try it on. It's cute, but I don't think it's for me in Texas summer. This one's the same kind of material. I think it's the same blouse, just two different, looks exactly the same style, just two different prints. Same material. I wonder if they're the same, let's see. If they're the same manufacturer. Let's see. Yep, they're both Fun to Fun Lynette split neck smocked blouse. One in red and one in pink. Both are $44. So it's the same exact blouse, just two different prints. And I wouldn't call that pink. But I like the red, white, and blue for like 4th of July or whatever. But I don't like this material. But we'll try it on for you. Ooh, purple. You know how I feel. And this one's super soft. Those ones are very soft. This one I like. But it's got that knot in the front when you're my size, unless it's long enough. What it does is the knot goes up and your belly pokes out right here with the knot up here. So you really don't want to emphasize, oh, gee, here's my big fat belly. So hopefully this is long enough where that doesn't happen because it's a pretty color. I like purple. Very soft. This one is 9 Britain Levy knot, front top, knit top, purple 1X, $34. So that's a decent price. These are definitely a dark horse jean. These are Liverpool. Not sure how Liverpool fits me. Oh, there's pull-on. They're not zippered. They fake you out where it's got like a fly where it looks like a zippered, but it's not. It's a pull-on, and it's got fake pockets. It's got real pockets in the back, but fake pockets in the front. Oh, there's this little bitty watch pocket that's real, but these pockets, the bigger pockets, are sewn shut. So I don't know. We'll see. It's got a cuff at the bottom. See what they're saying about these. Well, it says this is a capri. This is not a capri on me, I guarantee that. I've got such short legs. It's $78 for Chloe Capri rolled cuff jean in indigo, 18W, $78. Eesh, that's kind of a yikes. Plus, I wanted capris, and these definitely don't look like capris. I like the color on this. I don't have any light wash, but I don't really want jeans. This is a Vigos. Elaine girlfriend roll cuff jean, $68. So it's got a roll cuff on it too, a little bitty one. Wonder if you could roll it up more and have it look okay. You know, roll it up a little bigger so it would actually be a capri on me. Like that. Oops, see, it's already coming undone, so that's probably not gonna work. Let's see. We'll try it. We'll try one leg like this and one leg like this. And this is $68, so there we go. The only one I think I would really want is the purple top, because I don't like the material of the red and pink one, and I didn't really want jeans. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try a different size. My pants are starting to fall down because I have no booty, I think, but I'm not sure. I think I'm in between. I don't think I'm small enough to go down another size yet. So I've got that issue with the in-betweenness, so I might try the next size down next time I get some pants somewhere, just to see how they fit. Maybe go to Walmart or somewhere cheap like that and try a smaller size just to see if they fit. I'll be back for the try-on. Alrighty, here's piece 1 and piece 2. I'm not real gung-ho about these knots, but at least this one is off to the side a little, so it's not like, some of them are like right here and your whole tummy hangs out, but this one doesn't. It's super soft. Pretty purple. And these, I don't think I have any light colored pants like this. These are Vigos. They're full-length jeans. I kind of wanted shorts or capris, but I don't have any light colored ones like this, so I might get them anyway. These are 68, and I think this is 34. So help me decide. Here's the next outfit. I already decided I don't want these. They're jeggings, and they're $78, and they're supposed to be capris, but on me, full length. So I don't need 2 pairs of full length jeans. I already have a bunch. I like this blouse, so I look good in red. Don't I? My daughter-in-law and my granddaughter really like this. This is their favorite out of the bunch. Then the other top that I'm going to show you in a sec, it's the exact same brand, style, just different material, print. Here's the other one. They're calling this pink. I wouldn't exactly call it pink. I thought it would be more see-through than it is, because it seems really see-through, but it's not. You can't really see my bra. My bra's got a pattern on it, so you should be able to see it if you can see through it. So let me know. Don't want these pants, but everything else is up in the air. Let me know what you think. All right. What do you think? This one and this one, I think are the exact same one. I don't know. This has a little ruching on this sleeve. Does this one? Yep. Yep, it's the exact same blouse, just two different prints. Let me turn this one inside out. These are both $44. If I only got one, I think I would probably get this one. I think I look a little better in red than they're calling this pink. But they give a totally different vibe, so it would be $44 each for these two. These pants are a definite no. I'm not paying $78 for basically some jeggings. They are Liverpool Chloe Capri rolled cuff jean, indigo, $78, but they're basically just a jegging. And they're not a capri, not on me anyway. Flying. Put this down and went zoop. These, I kind of like the color of it. I don't have anything in this really light wash. And these are like a regular jean. I'm probably going to get these. I like Vigos anyway. Vigos is a nice jean. These are $68. And this one is super soft. I love the purple background. I'm not sure about the knot on the bottom. And the flowers are kind of huge. So, I don't know. Tell me what you think about this one. This one's iffy. The Vigos jeans are a yes. This one's iffy. It's only $34 though. But I'm not going to get everything so I don't get the discount. Because I'm not going to get these. Although if I got them, because of the discount, they would only be $10, $11. So that's one of those. I don't really want them, but $11, that's if I got both of these. I don't know. Do you think I should get both of these or just one? So let me know what y'all think, because I'm still iffy about some of it. A lot of it. Most of it. Only thing I know for sure wants the light wash Vigos pants. The rest I'm just like, I like it all, but do I want to spend the money? And you know how it goes. So let me know how I look in them, what you think. What should I do? If I got everything, it'll be $201. If I got, let's see, the pants are $68. If I got one of those two tops that are the same, those are $44. So that'd be $112 if I just got the pants and one top. So if I got everything, it's $268 minus the buy all discount, brings it down to $201. I don't know. At least I liked everything. Last time I don't think I liked any of it. So that's good. I mean, it's all really cute. I'm not sure I really need it all. You know what I mean? You never need all these clothes, but whether you want them or not, I don't know. Let me know what you think.